In part A, here's the precedence table. Any 2 rows gets you 1 mark, any 4 rows gets you 2 marks, and all rows get you 3 marks. In part C, we put a 0 in here. 0 plus 4 is 4. At this point here, it's either going to be 4 plus 3 or it's going to be 0 plus 6. The biggest numbers go on the top, so I've got a 7 for that point. Here we need a 10 because 7 plus 3 is bigger than 4 plus 4. Here we need an 11 because 4 plus 7 is bigger than 10 plus 0. Here we need 12. It's either 10 plus 2 or it's 7 plus 5, it's the same either way. At this point we need 14 because 11 plus 3 is bigger than 12 plus 0. There's only one way here, so that's 14 plus 5 is 19. So the end number is 21 because 12 plus 9 is bigger than 14 plus 3, which is bigger than 19 plus 0. Now we go backwards. 21 as always at the end. 21 minus 0 is 21. At this point we need 16 because 21 minus 5 is smaller than 21 minus 3. Here we need 12 because 21 minus 9 is smaller than 16 minus 0. At this point we've got 13, which is 16 minus 3. At this point we've got 10 because 12 minus 2 is smaller than 13 minus 0. At this point here we've got a 7 because 12 minus 5 is smaller than 10 minus 3. Here we've got 4 because 7 minus 3 is smaller than 10 minus 4 or 13 minus 7, and then as always we've got a 0 here. The mark scheme is one method mark if all the top boxes are completed and it's generally increasing from left to right, but A1 if all the top boxes are correct. And then looking at the bottom boxes, if all the bottom boxes are completed and it's generally decreasing from right to left, that's a method mark, and the accuracy mark if all the boxes are correct. So the critical activities are A, C, F, H and J, but also G, so slightly unusual that we've got a critical path there and there and there. The float on activity K is 21 minus 5 minus 14, which is 2. And the lower bound, well, the numbers add up to 54. We've got a 21 for the length, critical length, so that's 2.57, so therefore 3 workers are needed. In part B, the dummy from 6 to 7 is needed because K and L depend on G, H and I, but J depends only on H. The dummy from 8 to 9 is needed because no two activities may share both the same start event number and the same finish event number.